Hello, my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to make your text lines a little bit longer inside of Word, and this is done by moving the margins. So here I am inside of Word, and I'm going to click on the Page Layout tab here. And underneath Margins, I'm going to drop down the little arrow and go down to Custom Margins. Now you can see we've got this preview pane down here, and if I begin to play with the left margin a little bit, say decrease the indent, you can see that it begins to move the side of the words closer and closer and closer to the page. I'm going to do the same thing with the right. And instead of moving that up, we're going to move it down. So you can see both margins are decreasing, so it's making the lines in Word quite a bit longer. So let's click OK. And you can see that it has completely reformatted our text here, and the lines are considerably longer, a little bit flatter and wider. I hope you've enjoyed this short video on how to make your lines wider in Microsoft Word. If you have any other questions, please contact me at josiah@jraystudio.com. I'm Josiah Ray.